Now let's build the Arduino Project 8 detecting vibration. Here's all the components. First, we need the breadboard, and the LED. Second, the resistor 220R. And the tilt switch sensor. Lastly, all the jumper cables. This cable serves as the connection of Arduino to breadboard. Now let's connect to the Arduino. And this wire serves as the connection of Arduino to the laptop.
Good day everyone, this is John Yersinel Baclao and this is our AP8 detecting vibration. So first, we declare the pin connected to the LED. We use int sensor LED equals to 13. Next, we declare the pin connected to the sensor, which we called sensor input, and we connect to the pin 3. Next, we declare a variable to track the state. So we assign the unsigned characters, then variable state equals to 0. Then in the void setup, we set the pin modes for sensor LED to output, then the sensor input to input. Then we attach an interrupt to the sensor pin to trigger the blink function in on rising edge, which is called attack interrupt to 1, blink then rising. In the void loop, we check if the state is not 0. If state is not 0, the state will reset to 0. Then, if the LED turn on, the digital light of sensor LED will on for 500 milliseconds. Then the else is will it turn off the LED. Next, we declare an blink to interrupt service routine to handle the interrupt triggered by the sensor. Then we also increment the state variable. That's all. Thank you.